Stephen Perry, chairman of Britain's 48 Group Club, said that China's philosophy of ecological civilization is of great value to the world.
You know, part of the thinking of a new Asia comes from China's leadership ideas of Asian civilization, ancient Asian civilization. China looks to the past in order to understand the future. And in terms of ecological diversification, ecological civilization, it is a recognition that the world has come to where it is today by the civilization process of the ecology of the world. And China is saying that we need to protect that civilization as much as anything else. We can't just build motorways and new towns and cities. We need to produce a balance of nature. And it is, I think, probably of great value to the world.
Ecological civilization is a philosophy proposed by China. The philosophy, first put forward at a national conference on ecological environment protection in 2018, comprises several principles including ensuring harmony between humans and nature and regarding a sound ecological environment as the most inclusive advantage to people's well-being. The 15th meeting of the Conference of the Parties to the Convention on Biological Diversity is underway in Kunming, southwest China's Yunnan province.